This play is a perfect example of multiple different ways to protect the basketball. Now, I'm sure Jai isn't thinking about each one of these different protection methods. I'm sure they're things that he's practiced, and as you practice them more and more, it becomes habit, and you can put your focus back on the game. I got a free handle workout for you, pinned in the comments.